Hello, my art viewers. Welcome to my channel, The Art of Inside Impressions. So, today other topic, and that is simple art tutorial, and this is artist Bhavana. So, this is all about a girl holding a coffee cup and turning other side. So this is the thing where the girls and other beginners will start finding the tutorials because they don't want to draw face in the beginning, so they want to try the body, and they want to try the shapes, and they want to experience the uh, hairstyle and different positions of girl or boy, but they don't want to draw face. So for them who are looking to draw a girl or a boy, they can enjoy my tutorial. So in this tutorial I almost prefer to draw a girl and a boy from behind, from the other side. Okay, so later we'll start drawing the initial faces. Now we'll see the positions, the hairstyles and all. Okay, so helping them is really very much, and I guess everyone will do real time video, but they don't attach dubbing and all. But I'm doing so because each and every step should entertain you, and in order to entertain you and help you to reach further, I'm bringing these tutorials. So I'm focusing much on this. So please do give a try and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, this will be a small gift, a token of gift from your side. So please do it. And now you can see how a hairstyle is looking different, and in each video we are seeing different hairstyles. So yeah, you can experience all the hairstyles, and next I'll start boys from other side also. So let us complete girl, different hairstyles, different positions and all. Okay, here you don't want any great tools, you just want a pencil and eraser. That's it. Simple art tutorial, make it simple. So here I'm using mechanical pencil. So if you have any mechanical pencil, you can use directly, there is no issue. Or HB pencil of Apsara, Natraj, Camlin, Staedtler, etc. You can use everything. You can experience Faber-Castell also. So if you're a beginner, please start from the lower brands and then improve on brands and improve on your artwork. Okay, first initially you don't start with Staedtler and all, because the holding and the usage will be different. So experience all brands and then choose the better brand. Okay, and don't believe in other words, just experience and know from your experience. Okay, and just I'm suggesting you to experience all brands so that you can find which is better and which is comfortable to use. So different artists will have different choices. So according to me, I'll use all brands, I'll mix all brands. There is no particular brand which is my favorite, but yeah, if you want to get dark tones and all, I'll suggest Artline pencils. So if you want the professional look, you can go with Staedtler pencil. And yeah, it is like that. So after experience only you'll get to know. So you can see how beautifully the girl is holding. So some may have problem in drawing the fingers and hands. So to help them exclusively, I am bringing another tutorial where we'll deal only with hands, legs and etc. Okay, don't worry, I'm here. And fingers and all, everything I'll show, the easy techniques and everything I'll show, so don't worry. So now I guess I'm almost done with the initial outline. Let us now see the enhancement of this. So you know, I guess if you are not watching my first video, you know what is enhancement is. So enhancement is just drawing highlights, shading and giving the actual realistic look. Okay, so in this way we'll divide the things and we'll shade so that it will look like hair and all. So if you don't want to do this process, It's okay and up to you. But I suggest you need to complete this entire process in order to enhance your artwork. So don't waste your time, but when you're doing one thing, do completely, and don't think that you are wasting time on your favorite things. So when you like things, do that perfectly. I believe in this and I'm doing the same way. Okay, just saying few words doesn't matter, but implementation matters a lot. And here, if you are comfortable and if you have different grades of pencils, do experience 4B, 6B, 10B. So basically, for doing hair, I'll use first initially 2B, then 4B, then 6B or 8B, it is your choice, then 10B, final touches 10B. So if you have the Camlin set or Artland set or any set, you can experience the shading and all. Okay, so this is simple art tutorial, let us keep simple. And yes, I'm using 10B. So if you don't have 10B, do apply little bit pressure, then you'll achieve the dark tones. So don't apply more pressure, and pressure is also dependent on your paper quality. So if you are using the low quality paper, you may damage your paper, and hence nothing is there on your paper. That means you're spoiling your artwork. So do use properly, know basic things before doing things. Okay, I hope you are understanding things clearly day by day. Yes, right? If yes, please do comment below if you think my art tutorials are really helping you to enhance little bit or 1% or 10%, anything. If you are inspiring, if you are enhancing, please let me know. Okay, please do comment below. And this is how we'll do the shading, and we'll show the different parts and different region. In this way only you need to also do. So yeah, so this is 10B pencil of Camlin set, and Camlin pencil is affordable set, so you can grab, you can just buy as a normal pencil. So beginners, do try this, it is really good. So it is also dark, it is also, yeah, it reasonable, affordable, worth buying, so you can give a try. So first try from this brand, then experience Artline, Faber-Castell, Stedler and other great brands. So I am now at Stedler brand. I couldn't try Faber-Castell, but I'll definitely give a try and I'll share my experience with Faber-Castell also. And you can see, right, after our divisions and after our shading and after everything, our hair is looking really good. So adding this messy hair will really enhance and it will look the realistic effect. So we are not doing hyper realistic but just realism. This is basic thing you can learn. So after that you can try realistic artworks. So from here only, if you put efforts, you can do more things. So I am also artist, so self-taught artist, and I personally learned things from experiences only. So initially I used to also draw these type of artworks only, then later I improved myself and I'm taking challenging artworks. Now I am really satisfied with my artworks. So this is the final process where you need to get your own satisfaction. So in that way only you can do things within no time if you really have interest. So put all your interest and grab your pencil and experience things and do support yourself. Okay, so you can see how greatly it is looking, right? So let me zoom in a little bit, you can see how the details are, and I hope now it is really very much clear. So let me adjust the entire video in this angle only. So okay, and okay, this is looking and this is enhancing a lot. I really loved this simple artwork because it is really detailed and everything is pretty much clear. And if you are doing these small regions and all, do sharp your pencil. So here I didn't sharp my pencil, but I know how to handle pencil. So it's okay when you know handling the pencil, but if you are beginner and you don't know how to just handle the pencil, do sharp it frequently in order to get the sharp look. Okay, so in this way our coffee bottle is also ready. So let me add a little tattoo here. So she's a stylish girl and let us make more stylish. So here the tattoo will enhance a lot. So yeah, done. And in this way, when you know things, you can do things. So you can enhance things. So it is up to you, and you can add many things. So you can add design, or you can improve clothes, color pencil, acrylics, etc. So if you love this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon. Please do support me to do further. Thank you so much and stay tuned, stay connected, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good day. So, we'll meet on other day and do practice. So, do improve your artwork. Practice, practice, practice. So, yeah, today we'll end this session and thanks for support and bye.